So now we can focus on giving our app just a little bit more pizzazz than this. So I'm going to use Twitter Bootstrap as a framework to help build our layout. One of the awesome things about Bootstrap is that it is fully responsive, so that really helps out in the building process. Another really cool thing is it has pre-built CSS and JavaScript and HTML, so it's really, really easy to build cool stuff fast, and you can copy and paste the HTML and then just customize it to the way that you want, which is great. So in order to use Bootstrap, we're going to need to include some tags in our head tags. So first I'm just going to clean this up a bit so that I can read it easier later. So this is Firebase and this link is jQuery and this is the CSS we're using right now. And then here's where I'll be including Bootstrap. So if you remember, it will be the CSS and the JavaScript that we're going to include. So I'll just paste in the links that refer to that there. Now, I want to just take a quick look back at Slack so we can remember what we're building. So it's just one big container with basically two columns. We've got my visitors and the messages itself. So we can start building that now. We'll first create a container class, which will hold the two columns. We'll create a row, and now we'll create the column for the visitors. If we refer back to the Bootstrap docs and go to the CSS, we can check out the grid system. Bootstrap breaks down the web page into 12 sections, and you can determine how much or how little you want your columns to be. So I'm going to make my visitor column quite a bit smaller than my messages column. So this will be called, I don't know, 2, and I'll just close this div up and put in the name just so we can see the difference. And then my second div, which will be holding the messages, which will be quite a bit bigger. So now I can just close up all of these div tags and save it. And now if I restart my server and take a look, we can see that this still doesn't look great, but the layout's different. And now next we're going to be linking up our CSS.